We're going to check the oil.
It's going to show you how to check the
I
oil.
can see my squishy face.
Daddy,
Okay, guys.
Daddy, I want to pull
You
it
pull
in.
it out.
We don't move.
I want to pull it
Okay.
There's the
Daddy,
marker
can
line
I
right
pull it
here
in, Daddy?
in between the lines, and it shows
Daddy, can I pull
at
it
the
in?
bottom,
Can I pull
in
it
between the line is 1 quart. Okay, we're going to let Wendell pull it out. That way, it.
And also, can I pull that in,
Yeah,
Daddy?
yeah, pull it out. Good job.
Can me push it back in?
Okay,
Can I push it back in?
you push it back
I
in.
haven't put it back in yet.
And then what do we do, Daddy? And then what do we do?
Put your other hand up there.
And then what do we do?
It's okay, touch it. We'll just clean the oil off. You're good. Okay.
Easy.
All right.
Turn?
You seen Daddy take it off?
Yeah.
Take that engine
What do
oil
you mean?
off.
I want to do it.
I've seen you do it too.
Or Benji, Frederick, both
I
of
can
you.
just fix that.
Bro, we tried to do this.
I can just
Good job. Now
Daddy,
put
I
it
can
up.
just jump over.
Now put the dumb oil in there.
Okay, go get the filter.
Okay. Wait, where did I put this? Where's the filter? I'm just gonna put it right here.
It was on top of this,
Hi, Daddy.
on top of Daddy's truck, Frederick.
Mom, can I pull
Inside
it in?
Daddy's truck,
Can I pull it in, Mama? I'm sitting down right here.
on the dash. Come on, son. Yes, sir. Good job. This is called the oil filter. It's used to put oil in. See? All right. Now it goes right here.
Yeah.
Now let's go
Then you
read.
put the oil in.
Okay, let Daddy start out at first showing y'all how to do it.
Daddy, can I
That
pull
filter's not big enough. I actually should have brought up another one from
Yeah,
down
you
there.
should have brought.
That's bigger.
You should have brought a one as big as your head.
Now,
Right?
don't talk trash now. Don't talk-
Okay.
I cleaned it, Brenda, with a rag.
No, I was seeing if it had a filter thing in it. That's a funnel, right?
it? Come on, Daddy.
No, the filter.
I'm
Hey, it's going down, so it feels like
Daddy,
it's not
See?
filling
to
it.
pull it in.
The oil is going into the crankcase.
Daddy, I want us to go.
That looks so
into it.
satisfying. Yeah, like
After we put in half
look
of
at that
this,
coming out.
Daddy,
we're going to check it again because we don't. You never want to overfill.
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy.
If you overfill it,
I want
you'll
to put
overfill your
oil
tummy.
in. Daddy, I
It's the same way when you get too
But
chunky.
I wanted to put it on.
And it's
You're going to get it over with. Let Daddy check it first. After putting half of it in. Okay.
like a quarter of the half. Like half of a quarter. What do you mean?
Yeah, I don't know what he's saying.
Millimeters. Ow.
Frederick,
Just-
listen.
It just
We
wiped
put in half of this to see where it's going to show on the line
Okay.
now. Okay.
Okay.
And so we've got this. What is that called right there? Dipstick.
Oh yeah, dipstick.
It's called an oil.
Oil dipstick. Here's how you say.
All right, you pull it out and wipe it off before you go back in with it.
Oh.
All right, now do remember we've put in half a quart, so it should show halfway across that line.
Yeah.
Okay, watch. Let's see if it does.
Yeah, completely.
Yeah, it does, don't it? Look at-
Completely. So we good. Hey,
it was way across here. We're not going to put in any more.
Yeah.
Let's double check.
Mom, I can see a rainbow on your phone.
Can I pull it out?
Rainbow. Mom, let me see the rainbow.
Okay. Okay, yeah, that's way too much.
I can see it. I just saw it.
Is
There's
that
two
way too
rainbows coming.
Okay, see right there where it's at?
Yeah.
It's halfway up that line.
Okay.
And
22.
it would hold that other part of that quart.
So do we need to tip this whole core over and then make the oil come out? Am I right?
Mom,
I'm just getting a shovel in there.
Wendell, come on.
What you would do is you would get a pickaxe from Walmart and then whack it. Like,
Come on.
I can't
Get the oil. You do not want to get up there like Window does, okay? I'm gonna hold this thing. Hold the oil. Hold the oil.
Don't want to run it. You got it?
We're going on this side. That's so satisfying. Am I right?
Ain't that satisfying, Benji?
Look at that pouring out. Oh my.
Don't spill it.
Satisfying
Put some more.
moment.
Lift the back of it. Good.
Mama had to go to sleep.
Well, ASMR. That's what you're.
You guys didn't know I have a runny
Good
nose.
job. Got say,
Well, I
y'all give him a
Yeah.
High five, Window.
Clap, everybody. Yeah, they're good. They're
Hey,
good.
I did it. Hey, look. Too slow. On his face. Too slow. Oh, don't hit me with that. Ow, you do not want to hit somebody with that because it will kill you. Just hurt my hand so bad. Look what he did to it. He burned my hand. One time I actually burned my hand.
Everybody come over here, cause
Okay, let's
What?
come over here. I hope we do that satisfying moment again.
okay, see that very top of that means full,
Yes.
and look how that quart did. It got it right at the very top,
yes.
which means y'all two boys did good.
Fine. 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 That's how you fix that car.